What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So here's my essential phone PH-1 gaming review. This is GTS and Andreas. I love it. I mean, the phone is quite compact as 5.7 inch. The phone is literally very compact. I mean, okay. There's heavy raining going on right now. Let me show you. I'm running on the max. Go to display. Yeah, everything is max. You see, everything is maxed out. Let me go here. Wow, I mean, this look awesome, isn't it? I wanna take a beautiful screenshot. Wow, it looks beautiful, right? Okay, here we go. I mean, the gaming performance is quite good. I mean, you can see. I mean, the game is running smooth on the Essential for PH-1. Okay, but this is not like full screen. As you can see, this is not full screen. But now I wanna run the bully. Yeah, let me run the bully now. Let's see, is the bully full screen? I don't think so. Oh, now is the bully. Let's test out the bully off screen. Okay, the bully is at least covering on here. It's not this part. The bully is coming to the right. I mean, this one is like full screen. From here is not. Wow, I mean, isn't this look beautiful? I mean, isn't this good? Isn't this good? Isn't this good? Let me run away. Let me run away. I mean, the game ran beautifully. So yeah, this was the gaming review of the Essential Phone PH-1. It's quite good. I mean, I'm happy with that. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye. You can buy this phone from the link below. Bye.